Morning. It's been at least 7 weeks since I've last come out. For those of you that follow my channel will already know that I did my ankle in just before Christmas. A really bad sprain. I've been on crutches and with one of them walking boots on, and just generally not getting out of the house. So I haven't really been out. Well, I haven't been out for 7 weeks. I've got to try to start walking on it again, according to the physio. It's gentle exercise. So as I'm just going stir crazy being stuck in the house, today is my first attempt at having a little walk on it. I've come over to Lady Walk Nature Reserve because the first bird hide is literally about 5 or 10 minutes away from the car. So I've decided to have a little gentle stroll to try and make it to there. I'm just going to take it easy and slow, and to see if I can make it there. My ankle's slowly getting better, but it's still painful when I wear shoes or boots or trainers or anything like that. I wouldn't say painful, I'd say more uncomfortable than anything else. But I go on holiday in a couple of weeks, and I've really got to start trying to use it, rather than just sit around the house and think I ain't doing that, it hurts. So that's the plan. Let's see if I can make it to the first bird hide. As I haven't been able to get out, I've basically just sat on my computer all day, every day. First of all, I was going over all my old photos, deleting a load of rubbish, just basically organising them, putting them in the right folders, and so I can find them a little bit easier. And I've also gone over some old photos that I really liked, that when I first took them I thought they were good, but when I've gone back and looked at them, I haven't really edited them that well. So I've gone over a fair few photos and redone them. So I've actually got quite a few photos to show you this week, although you've probably seen some of them before. Another thing that I did was I sat on my son's bed and looked out of his bedroom window, because it looks into the back garden, and I've just took photos and photos of birds on bird feeders and flying around and things like that, and I've got a few decent shots. So yeah, I've got quite a few photos to show you, and some of my mum's dog and some of the little bits and bobs. So even if I don't take any photos today, I'll have something to show you. Another thing that I did to keep me occupied was I tarted up my website a little bit. I don't really use it that much. I don't kind of keep on top of it. But I did that, and I'll give it a little bit of a spruce up. So I'll leave the link if you want to pop on there and have a quick look. If there's anything I've missed or anything you think would make a better website, just leave them in the comments below so I could add to it. But like I said, the bird eyed, it's in sight. It took me longer than I thought it would to get here, to be honest. It has been a bit sore, a bit slow to walk on, but I made it. It's a start, I suppose. Almost there, nice and slowly. Well, I made it here. There's not a lot here. In fact, there's nothing. I think I took a photo of a cormorant and a heron, and I've been here about 40 minutes. I might head back. Foot's a little bit uncomfortable, and yeah, there's not a lot here. If there was something here, I'd probably stick it out, but it's a bit chilly as well. I might give it another half hour, see if the kingfisher turns up, and that'll be it then. I'll call it a day. Small steps. Well, I'm heading back. It's been really quiet. Seen more birds out my son's bedroom window. It's going to take me about 15-20 minutes to hobble back. Like I said earlier, I thought I'd be a bit faster than this, but obviously not. This might be my last video I do before I go to Thailand. I'm not sure, depending if I go out next week or the week after, I really don't know. But I am really looking forward to just taking photos of something different for a change, getting back to some landscape photography. Really looking forward to that. So I think I've showed you the photos that I took from my son's room and anything I've kind of done this week. Also, Told you about my website. I've won a few awards on Facebook, just like the Facebook little groups, you know, photo of the week, photo of the day or whatever, so I might show you those. And that's about it really. So, a bit of a boring one, but I can't walk that far and not a lot out. So, until next time, thanks for watching.